In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from the same settings. To do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, any website. Or if you prefer, click on Select App and tap on any app. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!